Yes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name, once again, is Barnabas. I'm your man. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have a lot to gain. This is a free course that you can be going through and make yourself a certified engineer. You could be a certified engineer. Okay, before I continue, let us just Google it. Let us say the role you can perform as a cloud when you know cloud. Let me not use the word engineer. Let me use the word cloud computing. Okay, there are so many roles. Let me go to ChatGPT. Okay, let me just say list all the roles, all the roles. Okay, one can can apply for as a cloud as a cloud. Let me say what word should I use as a cloud uh, person that understand cloud for a beginner for a beginner for a beginner. Okay, I just want you to see why you need to actually follow me to do this course. It will help you. It will really help you. If you're a mathematician, you are, you don't physics, actually read applied physics. Then after my first degree, which is applied physics, then I did a diploma in computer science, University of Benin. Then after that, I then had my master in computer science, University of Lagos, and I had so many certification. Okay, CEH, that is a certified ethical hacking, Microsoft certification, and Cisco certification. And I have years of experience, 20 years since I've been in this journey. So that's why I want you to follow me so that I will be able to pass my knowledge to you. So these are different certifications. These are entry level. For example, you have a class support associate who support engineer. That's a cloud support engineer. Provide technical assistance to customer using the cloud services. Okay, great for beginners with troubleshooting skills. Then you now have a cloud operation engineer. Manages and monitor cloud infrastructure like a VM, that's a virtual machine, storage, networking, focuses on day-to-day management tasks. Let's say, for example, if your VM maybe is going, one is down, okay, then there are tools that can easily tell you. It could be via email or other things, other tools that can tell you that okay, this machine, okay, is giving a error. Okay, then you usually attend to it. Or something is going on, maybe it could be application that is not working well. Okay, or it could be network having a API conflict and all that. Okay, this could be your role. Okay, operation. Okay, they now have a cloud technician and a cloud system technicians. Okay, handle setup configuration. These are just small things that who will know. Then we have all this. There are so many roles. Okay, so many roles. Okay, let me go further. Let me just say non non okay, technical. I don't know if you are same as my computer. Let me zoom it so that you can see it better. Okay, non-technical role. Okay, for cloud for cloud employment. Okay, you can see so many. You have a cloud sales, cloud account executive. Okay, so you must understand this. Focus on selling cloud solution to business. Okay, what you do, meet clients, understand their needs, explain benefit of AWS, Azure, and all this. Then if you don't know this, if you don't understand this, it's difficult. But if you understand this, you know how it work. You don't need to be an expert in knowing this. Okay, then you're able to communicate this to your customer. That's why everybody need to know cloud. If you want to work in a high tech environment, you don't have to be a computer science graduate or mathematician or physicians or whoever. I mean, those are physical sciences. You don't have to be. Okay, you could be coming from even a sociologist. Okay, could become a cloud person. Okay, these are not technical roles you can perform. Look at it. Have a cloud project coordinator, project manager. Okay, how will you manage what you don't know? Okay, you must understand clouds, how it work. You must understand VM. You must understand the storage. You must understand the um, networking little. Okay, because when you are talking, you you may not be talking technical language, but that understanding of technical things that you have, okay, will enable you to translate it into a management language. So we say we have a cloud product manager. Okay, what you do, gather requirements, work with engineer, define product roadmaps. Okay, this could be as a cloud product manager, because when you understand what I will be teaching you, okay, when you understand it, then you can apply for this role. Okay, so anybody can work in a tech company. You don't have to be in a computer science for you to work in a tech company. We have a cloud business analyst. Okay, there are so many. We have a cloud procurement vendor manager management officer. Okay, these are different roles that ChatGPT has generated. Okay, then have a cloud marketing specialist. Okay, so you can see, you can do yourself. You can also Google it. Okay, these are what do you need, helpful skill you need. Okay, these are you need this for communication presentation skill. Then if you don't know the cloud, how we present, if you don't know the concept of the cloud, what are you presenting? Okay, you have to understand the concept. For example, you are presenting a basic understanding of cloud services. All this infrastructure as a service. Okay, this is a platform as a service. This is software as a service. Okay, let me explain this. This information, this infrastructure as a service, this has to do with server. Okay, let's say you are a marketer and you want to tell me that your company does this. You should be able to explain to me what all this mean. All this. Okay, infrastructure as a service, pay as a platform as a service, then the software as a service. When you are using the Office 365, you are doing this. Okay, this is what you are doing. So there are so many services under this software as a service. Okay, then we have a platform as a service, meaning a server has been given to me already. So that is how all this work. Okay, so these are different roles as an engineer that you can get. Thank you for listening. My name is once again Barnabas Amioleme. I want you to follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel,